Welcome back to the vlog. I want to let you guys know the BMW is no longer with us. I traded for a Mazda 3, 2020 Mazda 3 Premium. This one is front wheel drive, 6-speed, no turbo, no all-wheel drive, no fancy stuff like that. But it's premium, pretty loaded, really nice. I'm gonna put the picture on the thumbnail, like the way it looked when I bought it, because when I bought it was stuck. So I already did a couple stuff. I already put some like white pearl vinyl here on the eyelids. I put the vent visors, and I put the tint, and I put the vinyl wrap on the top, and then I put some vinyl here too, which I haven't done. I still gotta do this piece right here. But just to give you guys an update, I did get rid of the BMW. I can't even talk. I mean, but look at this thing in the inside, man. This thing is mint. You got all the good. You got head-up displays, rear cross traffic alert. You got adaptive headlights. You got adapting cruise control. I don't regret it, man. I love it. I only had like 6,800 miles on it. All this was in black, like gloss black, but it looked kind of like scratch. So I put some carbon fiber vinyl, like a 7D carbon fiber vinyl. I did it on all the stuff that were black. But yeah, this is gonna be the new project. I believe this baby is gonna turn out good. Oh, another thing that I did, this piece down here, it was like that fake black or whatever. They usually turn white with the time. So I painted gloss black. I paint this one gloss black, and I paint the piece on the front gloss black too. And I put some light tint on the headlight, which it looked dark, but it's because the headlight is black inside, so that's why it looked dark like that. So I put the same light tint here on the symbol, and then I put light tint on the other headlight, obviously. But I just want to let you guys know, this is gonna be the new project. BMW is no longer with us. And you know what's the funny thing? The funny thing is that I'm right in front of the Mazda dealer where I trade the BMW. So if you guys can see, that's the BMW right there. That right there, boop, that's the BMW right there. So funny, I'm at the laundromat. I'm right here washing laundry right now. But yeah, this is gonna be the new project. So if you wanna follow the new project, I've been looking for videos on the 2020. It go from 2019 up, the 4th generation Mazda 3. And I know they have it with all-wheel drive and turbo, but they actually don't come in 6-speed. It only on automatic transmission. But this one is a 6-speed front-wheel drive. So anyway, just to let you know. So if you want to follow the journey, please subscribe, share the video, put the thumbs up if you like it, if you want to see how this baby's gonna turn out. Cause I already ordered some parts, they're coming. So yeah, anyway, any question section, and you already know. Till the next one, my man.